Okay, this is the fifth and final part of the hiding things flip chart. And in this section what we're going to show you is how to use the magic ink and the eraser tool to reveal answers like that. So to do that, we'll start with a blank flip chart again, blank page here, and we're just going to use the text to type in a question. So any old question. Anytime you want to have an answer that is available for kids to get, this is a good one for self-checking and those kinds of things as well. So you just have to make sure you have two separate objects again. So in this case, we're going to have the question in one, and we're going to have the answer in another. Oops, I should probably edit that. It's not everybody's favorite, it's just mine. So with our two separate objects, now pretty much all we need to do is pick the magic ink, and it's big enough to cover that up, so we're just going to cover that right up. And you notice the Crispito is still there. The magic ink will only cover up things on the top layer. So what we need to do is go back to our object browser, that's that third one over here, object browser, and pick our text that is the answer and move it up above, below, oops, there we go, so that the magic ink is above the text that we want to hide. And you see, as soon as we did that, it disappeared. So now there is magic ink that is over the top of, there it is, see? Over the top of our answer. So then all we have to do is select our eraser, and when we want to know what the answer is, you can just erase right over the top of it, and there it is. A couple of notes about this. This will not work if you are trying to use annotations. If you use the pen to write your question and your answer, that won't work because the eraser will erase any annotation no matter what layer it's on. So you can try to move it down so it doesn't erase it, but it still will. So that won't work very well. You can write the question in pen and then type the answers if you'd like. As long as the answers are in text, that's considered an object and not an annotation, and then the eraser will not erase it. So that is the fifth and final installment of Hiding Things.